Hi, my name is Gerrit Katzmeier. I'm the head of database and analytics for SAP, and today I'm unboxing the marriage of machine intelligence and human creativity. Data is becoming the most important resource in the modern economy, and the data universe is becoming simply too big for humans to comprehend by just looking at it. We need to deploy new technologies and new means to analyze data in order to have it reveal its secret insights and hidden patterns. And machines can do this in ways that humans just can't. They can look at broader sets, they can look at it from more angles, they can find statistical correlations that are invisible to the human eye. So the combination of machine intelligence, the ability to understand data at scale, and connecting this with humans in a natural way, allowing them to be creative and empathetic, is the ultimate combination that will power the digital enterprise. We need to have both the right foundation with data and semantics, and introducing playful experiences into every application that we use, ranging from smart insights, hinting us to points in data spaces that we didn't realize and see before, to adding new interaction patterns, such as natural language interfaces that practically allow everyone to ask the questions that they have in the language that they use. Data represents the biggest opportunity of our day and age, and we can all be better by taking data-driven decisions to ultimately overcome our human biases and insecurity and leverage the power of the data universe around us to be more impactful, to focus on what we are best at, being creative and empathetic. So let's all be better tomorrow.